spelling and grammar. Have you observed that after typing text in Word 2016, some words have a red or blue wavy line under them? These lines indicate that you have made a spelling or grammar mistake. The red wavy line shows that a word has been spelled incorrectly, whereas the blue wavy lines show grammatical mistakes. This sentence has shown spelling and grammar errors. In Word, you can easily correct these mistakes by using the Spelling and Grammar tool. You can check spelling and grammar mistakes in a document or only in selected parts of the document. Commonly, it is called spell check. To spell check a document, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Review tab. Step 2. Select Spelling and Grammar tool in Proofing group. The first incorrectly spelled word after the position of your cursor gets highlighted. A spelling pane opens on the right side of the window. You can do the following functions. The best options which match with the incorrect word appear in suggestion box. Do one of the following actions. Double-click the word with the correct spelling in the suggestion box. The incorrect word is replaced with the correct word. Or click on Change All. Click on Ignore Once. If you click Ignore All, spell check will ignore all the occurrences of the word in the document. When the entire document has been checked for spelling and grammar, a message appears. Spelling and grammar check is complete. Step 3. Click on OK. Or you can right-click on the incorrect word. The context menu displays spelling suggestions. Click on the desired option. To check for grammar mistakes, right-click on the word and words with blue wavy line. The context menu shows the grammar suggestions. Click the desired option.